Hello and welcome to another episode of Travel Chef, and today we're going to make is mint rice. This is a quick and easy recipe that is made and with a combination of mint as well as with a combination of onions and other ingredients to make it a very beautiful and quick dish. So let's see how's it done. So come on along with this. To make a pudina rice, we have taken a mixie bowl. We take 2 handfuls of pudina leaves or mint leaves, place it in the mixie bowl. We add 3 to 4 green chilies, 4 to 5 pods of garlic, 1 piece of ginger, we close the mixer bowl and then blend all these ingredients together. The mint leaves are ground into a fine paste. Adding the mint leaves, you can add a little water so that they can become into a fine paste. Now we keep the ingredients aside and let's proceed with the next step. We light our stove. Place a pan on the stove. For the pan to get hot, add 3 to 4 tablespoons of cooking oil. Wait for the oil to get heated. Once the oil is hot, we need to add a few broken cashew nuts. Fry the cashew nuts until they are golden brown in color. The cashew nuts have now turned golden brown in color, so that we can keep them aside now. We can keep these cashew nuts aside for garnishing. We add 2 medium-sized onions that we have chopped. We add the onions to the same oil which we had used to fry the cashew nuts. We add 2 bay leaves, 4 to 5 pods of cardamom, 3 sticks of cinnamon. Fry all the ingredients together. Add 2 medium-sized onions that we have chopped. All the ingredients together. Next we add salt based on your taste. Over here we are adding 2 teaspoons of salt. You can check the taste later and then add more salt if required. We have cooked the onions for more than 2 to 3 minutes and now they are soft. Next we add the mint paste that we had kept aside previously. Sort all the ingredients nicely. The pudina paste is almost ready. We have cooked it for 3 to 4 minutes, and also the raw taste of this pudina has gone away. Now the raw taste of the mint has gone away. Next we need to add the pre-cooked basmati rice, and we have added 500 grams of that. Mix all the ingredients together once again. Stir well so that all the pudina mixes well with the rice. Once the mint paste is mixed completely with the rice, we need to turn off the gas and serve it in a bowl. Now our mint rice is ready to be served. The final part is to garnish it with the cashews that we have fried previously. This mint rice can be had with chicken curry or it with salad, and it's a very good combination. Do try out this recipe and let us know how it has come out. Well, we hope you like watching our video, and we request you to like, share and comment on our channel. If you find making pudina rice or mint rice pretty easy, please share it with your friends so they too can try this recipe. Also, don't forget to enter your comments in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel too, and hit the bell icon for future notification of our videos. Well, until the next video, take care, stay safe and see you soon. Bye bye.